Welcome to the Free Academy. Today we'll learn how to install Kali operating system in our VirtualBox. So let us start. First of all, we open website Kali on. So I have already opened Kali on. There there are many available machines for different purposes and different systems. So in this video, we'll install the operating system for VirtualBox. So I'm clicking on pre-built virtual machines. So and now click on VirtualBox. So it will be automatically download a VirtualBox machine for VirtualBox. So I haven't already downloaded. So I am not going to start to download this, and I just go click on download, and this is currently downloaded. And whenever it download, you extract this file, and after extraction, I have already extracted this, and I'm clicking it. And when you click, you will see these two files. So now open your VirtualBox and click on add. After clicking on add, click on go to the Linux VirtualBox file, and you click on VirtualBox AMD 64. So I click and now configure your settings. So I am configuring my settings like this is Linux Debian as operating system and processor. I give 2 GB. I'm recreating it, and you can create uh, whatever you want. And display, I keep all things. The virtual machine already loaded here and in the storage, and you have just configure bridge adapter for network and click on OK. After clicking this, you can start directly. So I start. After starting, so wait a moment. It will be automatically get started. One pop-up is here, and uh, we have now VirtualBox is open, and we have successfully installed our card. So we're forwarding, and we will get Kali GUI. Now, our Kali Linux virtualization already loaded. Now, click on the username, password. By default, username password is username and password is word is Kali. People login. The VirtualBox is now quickly installed in your system, whatever you want. Remove from there, we have all the people and all applications. So many applications for different purposes that we learn some of few of them by the data. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.